Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to compress audio in Audacity in 2026. Compression can help control volume differences by reducing the gap between louder and quieter parts of a recording. First, open Audacity and import the audio you want to process. This can be a voiceover, podcast, interview, or another recording with noticeable volume differences. Listen to the track before applying compression. Pay attention to sections that suddenly become much louder or quieter than the surrounding audio. Select the portion you want to compress. If you want the entire recording process consistently, select the complete track. Next, open Audacity's compressor effect. You'll see controls that determine how strongly the compressor responds to louder sounds. The threshold determines when compression begins. A lower threshold can affect more of the recording, while a higher threshold focuses mainly on louder peaks. The ratio controls how much the louder portions are reduced after crossing the threshold. Start with moderate settings rather than applying aggressive compression immediately. You can also adjust attack and release controls when available. These determine how quickly the compressor reacts and returns to normal operation. Preview the result and listen carefully. For voice recordings, you generally want the speech to sound more consistent without becoming flat, lifeless, or overly processed. If the result sounds too compressed, undo the effect and reduce the intensity. Subtle compression often sounds much more natural. After compression, you may need to adjust the overall volume or use normalization to bring the final level to a suitable range. Listen to the complete recording and check whether quiet words are still clear and loud sections remain comfortable. Once you're happy with the result, save your project and export the finished audio. And that's how to compress audio in Audacity. Choose your track, apply moderate compression, listen carefully, and adjust the settings until the volume feels consistent and natural. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next